Hello everyone, we are the 2024 cohort of the Middle East Technical University for University Innovation Fellows. And first of all, we want to start with what is UAF. UAF is the University Innovation Fellow, is a program that Stanford University's Hasso-Plattner Institute of Design organized that fellowship program. And the main purpose of the program is empower students to become agents of change at their school campus. And actually, it's a global community that has trained 2,910 students at 314 schools around the world. And first of all, what fellows do? Actually, we are this fellow candidates right now, and after we completed our 6-week training program, we hopefully became fellows. First of all, after we had chosen as fellow candidates, we met all the other cohorts and the executive team of the OAF in our online orientation video call. And then we started our 6-week education program, which next slide we will talk about detailedly. And during this 6 weeks, we developed four project ideas about our campus. After our 6 weeks of education and getting feedbacks from our school's faculty members, we will start to launch our real project or even our real projects maybe. And we will launch these projects till the beginning of the April, and on between 2 and 6 of April, we will be at Twente University for present our project and result of our project. And then we will meet different school students from all around the world.
I will be walking you through the roadmap of our Stanford's UAF program. Our journey begins with the season one, the design thinking from August 26 to September 2, where we focus on human-centered innovation. Also, we will address a design challenge around supporting students' social and emotional well-being, plan stakeholder meetings, and start working on the landscape canvas. Moving forward, season 2 will take us deeper into exploring the campus assessed and gaps in the IA ecosystem, actually. Each season builds on the last, building the true and gaps in the UA ecosystem. Each season builds on the last grading through and the gaps in the ecosystem, and also from responsible featuring to lean startup methods. In season 6, we will wrap up my mastering storytelling to effectively share our change vision with the campus community. Our program will culminate with a launch review on the October 14 and the final launch on October 21, aiming to showcase the fellows' work and encourage a ripple of innovation across the campus. We are a team of 4 different departments. I am Bera from sociology.
I'm the Suda, and I'm studying electrical and electronics engineering.
Hi, I'm Irmak, and I'm second-year industrial engineering student.
And I'm Mehmet Alp. I'm a junior student at Electrical and Electronics Engineering departments.
For the program, we have 4 different projects we will explain on this presentation. I'm excited to introduce the Peer Project Inspiration Program. Our goal is to motivate students by highlighting successful projects completed by their peers. We will start by conducting surveys to students' interest in learning about these projects. Following this, we plan to create a pilot YouTube video featuring a standout students' projects. And also the video will showcase the project's background, process, and outcomes, making it both reliable and inspiring. Finally, we will host focus group session where students can watch the videos and give us feedback. This feedback will help us refine our content to make it even more impactful. Through these initiatives, we aim to foster a culture of innovation and also encourage students to explore their own potential by learning from their peers. We have outlined three main phases. Phase 1 involves serving students to gather data on their interest levels. This will help us understand what motivates them and tailor the program accordingly. In phase 2, we will produce and launch a pilot YouTube video. This video will spotlight a successful project, capturing its background and outcomes to engage our audience. And finally, phase 3 consists of the holding focus group session where students will watch the video and provide valuable feedback. This will allow us to refine our approach based on their insights. And also our expected outcome is these initiatives will help us identify the best methods to engage students. Of course, for each project, there could be the technical or the social challenges. In terms of the technical side, producing high-quality video contents will be essential to capture attention and main engagements. We must also ensure our surveys are well designed to gather meaningful insight without overwhelming students. And also on the social side, we aim to active participation from students, which can sometimes be challenging. We need to manage pair dynamics carefully as we want the students to feel inspired, not competitive. Additionally, handling feedback sensitively is critical so that critical responses don't discourage future engagements. Through addressing these challenges, we aim to create an inclusive environment that fosters learning and innovation, ultimately inspiring students to take on their own project with confidence.
And our second project is Brain Tea Time. And we observed a gap between the students and experienced academics in our campus. But our academics are really experienced about life and also about academic area. So we want to bring the academics and students together one by one for they get or their life experience and also get their experience about maybe in research areas or in academic areas. Once upon a time in my department there was a tea time or actually in every lunch break there was a hall and all academics and students meet there and they talk about some lectures, some project and also talk about their daily life experiences. But nowadays there is no event like that in our campus. So we want to organize it by inspiring from the past. And the first step of that project is finding true academics. We want to work with a different file experienced academics and also students who studying in different majors. So we need to find true academics which have available time and want to get inspired the other students. And the second step is way of meeting. Should it be a tea time or maybe should it be a dinner or how often we should organize that event, maybe every week or maybe every month. So for that we thought that maybe we can conduct a survey. And the third step is informative seminars because we want to include every student and some students maybe feel uncomfortable to get in touch directly with academics and asking their questions. So maybe by organizing group seminars, which academics talk about their life experience, these students can feel more comfortable step by step, and then maybe they want to ask their direct questions to academics. And we have also three phases on that project. First one is get in touch with different faculty members who work on some research or projects which can inspire the other students. And the second phase is create a wide pool of different disciplines for both academics and projects, and announce that events to students. And the third phase is planning this group conference or seminars for getting also students' attention and also feel comfortable to shy students. And our expected outcome is we want to get inspiring the students from that life stories. And also in that project, we have some challenges. We categorize them by technical challenges and social challenges. And the first one is conflict of scheduling, because in our campus and both students and academics have a busy calendar. So maybe getting through time, available time for both group can be hard. And the second challenge is diverse disciplines, because we want to get and our second challenge is actually diverse disciplines, because an appropriate blend of academicians from different disciplines may require wide outreach and organization of data. So maybe it can be difficult for us. And the third one is event setup. If we want to be our events for more informal way and a friendly way, so this setup maybe can hard in getting this true atmosphere. And our second category is social challenges actually, and our first one is comfort levels of students. But as we stated in phase 3, we found a solution for that. And the second challenge is inclusion. It's hard to ensure that these discussions are comfortable and well representative for each disciplines. And our third challenge is actually academics engagement, because encouraging academics to take time out of their busy schedules and participate them regularly in such a informal event could be facilitated only when a strong value is installed among them.
Yeah, and our third project is a gathering website for students and academicians. And what we try to aim in this project is that to forge a bond between students and the faculty members by establishing this platform and basically matching the project and the project owners with the students. And how are we going to do this? Actually, we divided this process into three basic categories. In the first one, we have to conduct a survey among the students if they are really interested in this, and in which majors and how many students would be interested in this website. So after conducting this survey and getting the related data, we should have a meeting with the faculty members as well, because they have to spend some time on it in their busy schedule. And also we have to analyze who they are looking for their projects well. And then we can establish a sample website that could also we can also establish a sample website for students to basically, for a sample of hundreds of students, can test this website if it's related to our points well, and how can we increase the impact of it. So in phase 1, we will conduct surveys with the students and the academicians to see if they would be interested in this website in our different majors and actually all around the campus. And then in second phase, we will create a pilot website with the insight of the students and academicians we conduct the survey with, and had meeting with the esteemed faculty members and academicians. And as a final step, actually, with those students and academicians who were interested, according to the former survey, would test the platform, and we would then have an final feedbacks from them to actually finalize our website, and then it will also be open for anyone in the campus. And actually, as an expected outcome, the 3 phases I just mentioned can be divided into 6 to 8 weeks plan, as we also mentioned on the Mural platform. And then, as I just mentioned, after the final feedbacks, the website will be established. And of course, there are some challenges in it. According to technical challenges, designing the website will be a bit can be a bit challenging, and because it should be ensured the website includes all the instructions clearly and preventing any sort of inconvenience. And also we should conduct survey really carefully, because it is really important to find the appropriate target group who would be into this website. And as social challenges, there's sustainability, because it is really hard to establish this website only by itself, but maybe the harder part is to how to maintain this website. And so we have to also be focusing on the sustainability of this website. And the last social challenge is that how should we promote this? Because in order to increase the impact of this website, actually many students and academicians should be informed well and detailed. So these were the challenges.
Our 4th and final project is the Undergraduate Mentorship for Entrepreneurs program. In this program, we aim to gather entrepreneurs and recent graduate students to transfer know-how in the industry to the undergraduate students who is surrounded with the academic environment. In this program, we need to find mentors to mentee the students. This would be, as I said, entrepreneurs with experience or the recent graduate students. And we need to find mentees for this program in our campus, which is undergraduate students. And we need a committee to organizing this event, to matching people with the mentors and mentees, and catching the recent advancements in this program. Our project stages. First, we need to get a pool of people which is divided by 2 mentors and mentees, and then we need to match these people in order to their area of interest. And after that, our program starting with the observation phase. In this stage, entrepreneurs listens and observes the lives of the students to make them a probable program. And after that, entrepreneurs show how the startup is established, or the recent graduate students show the students how the things in industries goes. And in our final stage, it's a young vision. We try to help the entrepreneurs and recent graduates with the young vision of the undergraduate students, which is from an unexperienced view of point. They will criticize how the entrepreneurship and industrial works go. In this program, we will have social challenges. The first thing is, it is hard to find entrepreneurs to volunteer because they are so busy to work, which they establish a company. And after that, so many students will apply, probably, but matching the students with the appropriate mentor is also a challenge. And finding an appropriate time for mentor and mentee is another social challenge. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
you.